Random say ebi susu wo 10 man side honey ade o 10 man.
Unse ohone de minor nketu
but akese no omo krakra ne ma bebre
is akra de kan de na aboso kan be ba first emre bi kra na nka government ni ye yo makotema ho
nka kwa na wo
ekoye mintimi se sa e friend se na ye jenefo yi omo de ba isa nka logo mu nya akọ.
Wow.
Tema kwa ni so.
Na le o ma ben habo.
Ma ben habo de o ma ben habo.
We ni o ma
o ba tan ka so be shi.
Na ye hwehwe bia ne se wo se
kwa. Anka so be shi papa. But me ni baby ekosi o mo oppose ye mu. Na ebi se o mu che ebi se ye ebi se embo o mu. O mu che nti ni baby akwa kosi.
Anyway, ye met here for akwaba. And then of a Patrick Bassett in this view. Jeje.
That's right.
Yeah, more akwaba.
Me bedin konkonsa.
Hey, and yes, I'm going to go sound anointed. Yeah, more akwaba.
Bedin konkonsa. And
producer, yenyama et here for akwabe. Yanko bukap skona. Na ye making sure say omu you see. Enra me de be word ne buy nti ene no anesan holine na anesan ba street nim
akotomo
afakora wo ho gidi enonti are you ready?
Yes,
yeah,
we are ready.
Bang
Bane bidia wa
Omo extend yankasa.
My 21st clinic, the peseta, the originator, the commandant.
But uni size. Na Patrick the other na cause na minti as omo base
some the base it has energy.
And I ati kwa wa dem have. Enti the word
they be amote. We chire ajo ama yi.
Oh, my trouble.
It's a backing vocalist. Is that
oh, baby. Oh, we back out a trouble. No, say me to trouble.
Oh, to trouble.
I na and on sign you.
Why are they?
I no so tell no so see me to tano.
Tano.
Hey, walk. I'll do a walk.
I don't know where you see the back and I'm saying me to tano.
E bua papa
onu aka wi anu aka say wutu brim ani densu
we dey
enye tano wutu tano pa hey Samuel well do enti aye gbagba ye wi ye mfa your word nimbra enti na word ne ye benign common kakra benign enti ba mean spell BENIGN benign who say me say no the be word by venison into the name so me the benign and
okay
benign
wow so benign generally means gentle mild or harmless.
Okay,
depending on the context it describes something that does not pose a threat to health, lacks cruelty, or produces a favorable environmental impact. Wow.
I you see what medical
yeah.
But ye to me to you so my personality any idea in terms of medical balance, na say ka say benign na say nya cancerous.
Oh, okay.
Say be a tumor be na growth be na ka say benign na say nya cancerous. Monday me the opposite beba.
Okay.
Me the opposite beba. It's benign. And now of course human personality so no one kind of gentle, harmless, that kind of thing. And me share say menya example be okay, so in terms of disposition, send ya nipa no kora ne ho sitie no who use benign na obe example I'll be to me use ni he had a benign smile. He had a benign smile so be or smiley pass so now wickedness actually. And he had a benign smile and then I mean
Obey steady.
Obey steady. I don't want to go back to hey, and he had a benign smile. And there's an example for environment also. So, say, yeah, they describe it climate, or say a benign climate for agriculture. In fact, and then no weather, no, a benign weather for rest.
Favorable weather.
A benign weather for rest. That's good. They say a favorable, a kind, a cool, you know. Ain't no ye pamucho word no any spelling medium BENIGN. Aha, benign. Uti benign na one here all the 9 about kosho be 9
yes will be pronunciation like benangan. Benangan.
What the people won't is I you know in the beginning. Won't hey. Oh, in the beginning.
And I mean yeah. Yeah, okay. I'm so okay. You be son of me, Hasi.
No, ni Hasi. And I wouldn't be your casa.
And say, circulate you. Now, I say, government official, I'm linking to government official.
Not in Ghana, though. Oh, not in Ghana. Ain't in a my okay. I say Ghana, Kranas, Wakadam Canada.
Because where is it? I say, yeah, okay, I see future, I pronounce you, future.
Future.
Madam for be a bio. No one can say, Bruno class or future.
Ain't able to say 4 years travel. I know what near benign, BENIGN, and only mild, gentle, kind. Any idea? Yes, Ramo. Moyusu.
Mata to you. Any just one day. Obe crazy sentences. Just one day, madam, you're ready. No, papa, the word be bro.
You're a very benign child. Me, just have a catcher.
Yeah.
Hey, and in no way, creative scenario, you know the word.
No, they are same crowd.
I know. Yes, I won't you see. Auntie, Yabba, Yabba. You vocabs con if you wait, dear. Yantis concosa quite so. No. Hey. Mimran tie na konkonsa ba ati adwase we yi che na hyem
and I am men konkonsa day
na konkonsa
Father's Day beba
sa June mu we say vocabs corner mama no ne de intro beats ati ye be launch konkonsa so intro beats a friend is saying in June.
I see.
Then you vocabs na
bang.
I see.
In June, into June be to me see. That's why you be can was no. Yeah, massing na be enkan. You bet na ani akan.
Then one
year. And I do am pen.
Oh, shana say.
Blah. One say idea same.
Idea same kwani ani say that over here. I said I chair.
By June they be to me see.
Already. June be to me see.
Already, yeah.
Already.
Oh, hanka once watch share nani.
No, I heard kakra.
You change your money by trash and you are my trash you.
Anyway.
All right.
Yantin Sikwane so.
And then no. Your shocking news. Shocking news, no. 36 hours. 40 doctors. 1 miracle. 36 hours. 40 doctors.
1
miracle.
Wow.
Surgeons shock world after separating twins joined at the skull. India no New Delhi.
Okay.
And sasemi esi.
Okay.
Na intafo ayawo. We say sometimes omunsa ebi won ma no omunsa bom. Ha eno no ni yi nye din anase nye risky. But se ko pie se omuti anase omadwene eboma ayana eye yi pa
and no friends
Siamese twins.
So asemia esi ye no na tres akoye se enidaso asa but doctors baku 40 omo yesu 36 hours.
Wow.
Mesusu se omo gina omo so omo ye no oya duru be na we bra na we abeto aso
na we che na dwene
na de ehu ho ne se unsa ade a nipa dodo de on sa kete se car
yeah
unya se mechanics 3 e de on sa kan wan hwe na car na nya papa but wo ba ko a de bia ne sadam onim de waye wo ho on de waye ho anytime bia no timi sanda kra nam kratimi fro say o friend say onya issue timi kire wo de ye
yeah
se nkofo de on sa kan onya issue nanso de ehu on say doctors 40 eye nkwala hu adwuma no o ma successful.
Wow.
We kwa na we aba we kwa na 36 hours.
Wow.
Na ne atia ne se ye wo omo no se ne ehu ya na eti no ebom omo ti kwankora no anya se honam na asem ne ye ka ho ti kwankora no dompe no na ebom.
Wow.
Na ye from sa condition no nkora me no ba kudin de jaga na ba kudin suzo e de kalia na sa condition ye friend no craniospagos ha ene sa condition we twins ya wo omo scar no ya ebom.
I see.
In fact omo brain structure no crampo so crampo wo closeness.
Wow.
And then we must commend these doctors how much me surgery we are. In fact, this is my first time do am say yes my sir mati cases ebi won ma no mo nsa ebom ebi won nsa no mo nchemu ebom ni ade etimi ti omo ntem but se ko ba no adwene ade a it's a serious surgery. It's a major one of the major surgeries in the world. But some doctors see omo Indian doctors see omo actually say opepa no wo ho na omo sua ade sana meka no doctors 40 surgery baako
ano hye o se ne aya omo ye no aya omo ko ho meeting asa omo be conference no omo discussion be so not necessarily say obia de ne sa akoka but obia dwene wo mbi sana usually omo ye no
the idea say 40 no be discuss you.
Yes.
Now so say say nipa ba kokrampo ye surgery. No. Ye crowd me big mistake bia. But nipa 40 no me discuss there. Now so omo ba no. Ba ko anye mistake na ko ha.
Yeah.
The rest. Yeah.
So everybody was
on point.
Yes, hospital needing the All India Institute of Medical Sciences.
I see.
Omo New Delhi.
Oh yeah.
Omaya dear pa. So pe India dear. So pe medicine. Ope IT.
Exactly.
IT in every aspect.
True.
India. So ko India ko sua dear especially because on minimpa IT. So ko ho na oba na say when provision and a one ko sua dear. Yes, they are very good. Pa eti ya bo baba so ya nam sa kwan so bo baba so. Na the edi obiom na Patrick Abem ni say
okay
ye nim renak ni we are divorce issues e koso Mr. Richard Niama koi e koso ni ade omo try some be solve ema first we compensation by ascent 300,000 ni ade ema appeal case e be mu enti sa commodity ni koso na empo was it enra na in 3 days
and then 3 days na
ajwa update ye says see ano Mr. Niama Koi I na adwin say obema ne wife no 2 million Ghana cedis na eja asem fa na asem enkonkogu e ma ekra ka so wa ya de plus other cars bi ni ade wa ya de yes in an attempt to get the issue buried
out of court.
Yes, out of court. However Madam Joanna Kwe ni legal advices somonji.
Oh really?
Somonji.
I see. Omo reason is saying.
Somonji na se ohwe sa amount ya ni ex-husband the man now share
contribution.
Yes, contribution and you consider the wealth our asset or what it is just a minutest fraction of the entire thing. Inti no na negie no
in the ocean.
Sa negie no ebe ye din. Inti de ebe ma na pene 40 million Ghana cedis.
No, say maybe no see future now. No, I think about 40. I
don't
know to be an better about 20. About 20.
I see.
Inti or say answer na no. Cash or beji no. No aside and Danya a war
various
like places are properties are luxurious properties are SSA. Ninsa eka. Inti 2 million Ghana cedis no. Legal team no say Omonje any Madam Joanna say
2 million 40 they be omo.
Inti so no pay 50.
Na 300,000 about 2 million.
Inti almost say Omonje.
Some time ago, the part of the story was bro, come worry, I'm worry, not be money neshi. It is only when you not say only what building businesses together. I feel now because will be done there. And there were two parties here. Others were in support of the lady demanding for the 50 million Ghana cedis, and others were saying, you know what, you are being greedy. Oh no, husband and Ghana be near. Why is that amount? And so there were two parties here. And we don't know what the court is going to say.
Who said they say bedroom asem? You be boy ni achiro, but enye nyina na beti.
Trim. Someone boy here bedroom.
Aware for asem. Na me dem experience with them. You frame me ko baby ase ko settle me, but ya tena bi so da. Na aba ye din komo wutimi sa asem no na se wo ho root no ho but
ye yimpie da
ha ye yimpie bo ne e broso bo ansa ba ko ebisa ba ko question bo ansa wa staga kakra no ntimi ansa kakra o ansa bo no aburo ani no no so ebisa na na ho so bo ansa no so staga kakra nti the person me try ne say see an amount air fly mema say say no ba ne kan say ohwe ne wealth wa na say fraction base fraction proper fraction improper fraction anyway fa
the Pythagorean theorem
ebi ono
mas na okoko
we inti se come nu ibe simultaneous equation be ya be ana quadratic work
you over me anti adwa
enti they akoba no but yes say your bonfire say bibia but me wo assembly kan ho in the sense that so oba ne hwe not this amount or no boy 50,000 na about 40,000 so hwe
na say 50 million or 50,000
50 million Ghana cedis na 40,000 Ghana cedis ya 40 million Ghana cedis ya okay o hwe so tie yan o hwe na ebe crepo and as ebe go against the business of Britannia Makoya e so odwini hu mienu biom because one no womba obehwe ho se ne oka no owo inyina a friend say or standing be say sika ne doso or the 40 million ne man kra enye ne hwe dia omontena se na omonka ne nemu no ye bompa ye say asumdie ebeba because
I know there Niama Woska. I'm not sure that when he's able to part away 40 million Ghana cedis be affecting the businesses. Oh, she do. But that's not notwithstanding. We are just wishing them well.
Because that story na wo ka say or sha say no only be no.
Yeah.
Lady guy ne so be the bank here say no it wasn't so.
Okay.
O see nipa me to me here o ho ade ne ade me ni be saying, you know. So like producer you're saying our first day they be a vision why they huni nyina and we can only I mean nobody have abontin there can e beka bi we can only wish them well
so they have better abontin
na me hwe ya e be bro so e be bobo ni aye e be twetwe abasa ne sre anyway into of Patrick
so me to what the Jerry dia bane so a but sister Fia wakasa sister Fia say ewiase a ye wo mu obia nyankopon de ne pam obia obia betimi aye ne opebia once that she has a root from your papa Archbishop Dr. Williams
oh right
and you know according to Afia no or say na na busuafo nyinaa nim sɛ ye papa Danka William no mu nyinaa nim sɛ sani etiti o mu nyamesum ai obonyo pa o se sani etiti o mu nyamesum no na busuafo ni nyinaa nim sɛ wono de enka obey gospel musician.
I see.
But yes, it's a fiat to the num to say everyone is allowed to do their own thing despite Danka William family's root. The fact that we feel Danka Williams a busuamu doesn't mean say
gospel.
It was in the busuani nyina nim say sister Fia de send and near death and your tonium no nanka obegina so dum kita microphone pa no tonium na nipa titigu na anoint na ba na ne wofa na ne uncle body deliverance nanka come up papa
Miguel 90 okay you not see the picture they what is all the Ruth
or the Ruth
or the Ruth.
Oh, okay.
Or the Ruth.
Sister Fia Ruth.
Yeah, I have same way no. Me who kaka you see I am not be a share idea from the roots.
Or not the roots. Who try idea from the roots?
Or not the roots. We share from the roots. Enti emra osha asese otonyum no. Your guiding is saying. Your guiding is saying.
Okay.
What I say? You see, yeah, it stories are and to form so no more tonyum was sorry.
Oh, I know a lot.
Baby.
So come you cannot tell me.
Not tonyum was sorry.
Now Abena. Oh, move baby.
If you want more personal convictions, they move someone your gospel. Maybe so on ma the way they were guided. No. Aha.
Definitely.
Sikanim. Until you person now, who bet you I
mean, all those are almost free hona, almost secular music. You know, Uti one story now, like you rightly said, that is what they are saying. Because Obekwa Koto, Emrebina Mite, Joe Metal, the testimony be a no was it Otumi Koto was sorry them. Also from me, oh, Joe me bow. Or bet now sa be 3 hours no good to so no one adrian man one can say okay my men sorry not to so good to you until when they are being treated like that they are not being respected in that way because social crime Eugene say I know the same thing or come also to me got continue to meet now say I mean only pana for carefree baby and about
me personally I have this thing in connection with Sadiwi. I have the way I was talking about it personally. I have your friend say me no be a secular for a very long time. Now nipa bakwa I enjoy listening to him. Kofi Kenyatta.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, same be. I say share ni fie. Na any interview. I say ni fie. Ni mama omo churchy way yo me te say when papa cry so for say I don't know whether it's true but on one case interview say omo churchy yo sometimes omo kwa sorry me mama say o me say na because you na ready no nko ade ntoma ekuru no be friends I said e wada but enyum no to no say o yes obey enyum no that area no omo family ni opposite said abi no say obey na Dentia, why are very careful of what he's doing is because of a chirimba. Or some person in Yanubi, and I say, Ebusiano, Obi Benyuma, ye best in the coin say, Okra, Munya penny, Kofi Koya, you know, she subine a year or ye, or say on Pesse, Obe block your mouth for because I himself Babes Anum, and ye purely gospel Babes Anum, maybe a Braboni Subabi, a bebema, Enkoye Busianefe. Now, so I you know, why are careful with selection of songs near ma oh yeah in some so Kofi Kenyatta betna interview ase na so interview na wisdom oh yeah much of oh yeah
but
sir oh yeah asresem na so timu say the day I listened to that interview I said wow enti ye mba no anaye nuanom etonyum a baby o de be free baby en hwe de wi a ye be guide o ma fa akora bi o me hwanum a oh yeah police ni you know you too Otonyum, in fact, papa crap ya sorry penny. Now, Otonyum no, now Osha or view of one day my friend catch and says, Bra, a your talent, will be at me infuse him. Now so she say onyum now to no be very careful with it. Men got to profane you be because of your roots. What I say, it's a very critical issue.
Yes, sister, if you are a Casa Kumasi based Angel FM.
Okay.
Or explaining, say, the relative, a God fearing power, and they were all raised in the church. Because of this strong religious foundation, her family expected her to follow a gospel path rather than venture into secular music. Now, a one interview with Nibusa and say, now, young Papa Archbishop Duncan Williams, what frauda, and what can say same way one, and was say, there be that one friend. He had never called her regarding any of the songs, and she clarified that she was never receiving any such call from your papa. And see, yes, sister, if you are so dear, your dear between
Mamma, if I ain't trim, I think some may confuse you or no with Eno Baroni. So Ruth Nami kind of
no Baron, okay.
I want to share before say,
picture, no, yeah, into Ruth near Eno Baroni.
Now, near twice year, Dr. Likey. Meka wasre wakoye program okoye ni program no London O2 Arena Indigo concert we no na wo say sesi a obeba Ghana yi wonim se so obedru kotoka airport a se we beba befa no so obefa trotro so obefa ugo wonim esa say wakoye ni program no wo ton ne ka and for the akoye program eti ba wo bay and you are Sompa FM
na program we nyaje
Sompa delight
so also sacrifice me who or sacrifice a lot man in fact ne wallet crash sign right
ne wallet ko
right the wallet pounds so 3,000 pounds ne other currencies e wo m crash right and just say I pinso
and 10 years Sompa delight and Ghana music Ghana say
music actor and 10 years
actor and by from
no I did a friend of mine, but you want to cover. Me person me bisa say.
I think I go better than lift.
Obe number. Me bisa say. Program no coin. Fine program the BBR TMC. To the extent of selling your car. It's not the expectation you ding.
Or say now or sacrifice according to story. No say or sacrifice. Ama enkofo echima say you can do these things not just in your country until the nye returns no papa nti na all year but or put it in every effort everything. To make sure say we hold you there no aye kama obi betumi enya and it so say oh me so me tumi aye bibi sa
na program aye ton ticket
you go a program or
because a hall no
2,700
hall no there was say oh
concert space
apart from that no sponsorship be any
or say sponsors or say on one or sponsor you
until turn the car
car not turn or this car not car yeah there all you know
we dey mama anya wana ye ma Dr. Like Imbra fie ye ma Imbra fie mu fie hana ye ni komo
we organize bus dia ko Sompa bus dia dia ko fa
say ebia
why na arrangement ready no
nema mienu
not in the car fufuro
nema mienu
me bo we dem go for me so ke ka say we camouflage no akọji ni sika wie
enti am say nema mienu you see am try me very analytical say am try my analysis nema mienu either say sponsorship no oje no anasa oje bia ene ne ka oton ye ene ticket oton ye be your expertise say so sometimes you can expect some results but you may not get it if your expertise say yes one plus a Ghana for ye kwa kobo match ya share ya betina fia ye hwe so obi be lusu ama say benya we lusu na we bodra ha be na went me meeting expectation like the real expected results in Sanka
income because such a issue so the over check tickets so over complimentary tickets are fine
yeah
ebia no e ka ho e na ma na esa okay e na afen so no ebi so a na sa na e kan yi ye ton story camouflage na oye na je say aye however say no cannot sacrifice am papa say ne ho na akom na de sa ho kira bo hwe san ka bi be pie fi no about the toka ni bi ana odika na sa anya yi bia se sana se dia mejini se mejini se na Dr. Like it yi obedru Ghana obenya ka obi be chenika obi be chenika
Obi be chenika when ka say businessman be na sponsor ni dey and ma o dey no crane na ba bontin no only when kika ya say businessman be na sponsor no ade o ye ni na no dey no crane beto abontin so no ankasa
sister
and ayere ne ho aye
sister Abena
brajeli
sa wi asi wa ye we ye oni ama bi on ma me waste me time on who ko ye program whether businessman be a sponsor who are seek I can't talk into because a businessman being a sponsor into like obey here be na nipa no born umodi especially something that is for the first timer like for us to get into it businessman be and onya sponsors be sponsors be na then ye nja nipa no nya peace of mind no fanya your person oye Ghana oh
my Ghana
engabenya biaka
now me the last story
okay
it's between nipa miensa yeah media space Nana Banamwa Esther Smith any Esther Smith ex-husband make up tell the way you ready
Sama who sound common no
hey Mr. Oh my God has said but you are there to muda na ye nyina be kaya ye mama Esther Smith osanu nyuma ye wanwa onyamia otiasie mishira wo na ye tuntum 2008 and on ni kru ejaye Reverend Ahenka Bonsu na ensema ande wo mu de esewoni yesa meka kire na ye mama allergy say papa no yisu charm ena de no aware animu nsansan na nansan ya ne abetom kura de Reverend Ahenka Bonsu say
obeka no kura ma obi ahu ne ewo ma na
anya ne ekona na wo se so no kura no yisu charm e de charm mai wa de ware o ma enkanya ne so ba ne ode mama castor ngi ya wasi anya no ne so ba ne ko be su chama enko bi obe su cham da ne ye Nana Banamwa na wo Esther Smith wo si mu he ene wa be si
na ode me interested in Nana
Banamwa say wo fa chance huna I don't know dragging me into your old marital affairs. In fact, ansana bebem mama mo na mabaso na naba oya de papa one thing ko yobia ko beka se papa no appraise no until you take that advantage but na naba so oboa
here
dancing me here wa praise bia my marital problem na ankoye na egua twetwemi mewrama asemu me dem tembabi okotere ko we ni makoma me beti hu monya masemu amonka and drag me into your marital issues at all it me ameti he de mebo me nsem mama Nana Banamwa
na wi ase enye praise the Lord bia na yaji o
enye praise the Lord na na yaji
true bia na me teche na odi bia Nana Basan ebo ho a eye me o say presenter no te ho na papa ne ka asem no are no jitu mu sa mo e court drama say ya viral na because so you
o say if I had chance to pursue women it would have been Nana not Esther Smith we Reverend Ahenka Bonsu we the best papa we dey sabre biem
me te ne kapo na nwanwa o se wa brain te fe de o yi o kan asem na na pie hwe for all these years
from 2008.
Smith a delay interview, no. I feel trendy with your man Coco, so I feel almost so I got me baby, Jina baby, Namsuma comedy. Sometimes silence is gold again. Yeah. Because we say, oh, buy Nana studio on found. Hey, no nonsense.
We say, I am you.
Never hear.
Story. Oh, Nana body. And see you. And then so be on the member. Okay. Obi ba for fa bibia ba ma pasan so aba be your friends but sa nyama ensam mienu a Esther Smith e kan ene ni kunu akan na me amutu na is no.
Yeah.
Because and then Abeka saw the charm. In a nyao. It's not right.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Now you can saw the charm nyao. Your name says as me sweetie, spiritual mama. Sad time.
So now a week.
No, a week. Na sad time na ufu nyumni na no na name says spiritual mama. Sad time no so no na unya hu charm ne. Enna bra me offer. Also fine. Hey,
that's a Jerry body, you know.
Say,
Onya butre ti amano.
Oh, what chama? Kenya Esther Smith.
So where you should know.
I saw me say, Oba, one in nakedness, Oba, on nada, Oba, on na ye a friend is saying that dear.
That be.
Even when Bonnie be obey your piano. Send it dibia se oba enguni unfi. Send it dibia se oba se oyo oba no. Enguni unfi.
African semo.
Oh,
African semo. The report even indicates or describing Nanamba as his ideal woman and praise her English speaking ability and public image during the TV3 era. And you know, and some the Reverend Henkanki can be ankasa. Nana like Riley said, sometimes, and yes, sometimes, right, silence is good.
Oh, yeah.
Silence.
Yeah.
I mean, 2008 till now, Yanti Wonka. I didn't know. Artists here be a party ways.
This year, interview.
Yes.
Be a party ways. Me Obaba Kwa. All music industry we moi. Me de bia me to chairman. Me penasem e respecting papa. In one summer be pigan ha. Now so what say your bas me kunu sem Florence Obini.
Florence Obini America nearby.
Me kunu sema abagana ha with evidences, audios, ni videos. In sema na papa
Patrick Crash so we name sir Patrick ni Crash no.
Oh yeah.
Me ni nyum de me de ni nyum atwe akra sa. Esther Smith nyum de atwe.
O ka Florence Obini ma. Florence
Obini sorry Florence Obini. Hwe sema eguni mu fin sema mami akasa. And I can say on authority and by personal conviction that Obinim egusu di sofo anase ogusu gina ho esan say onya Abigail bi
back no
Abigail bi a eye Florence Obinim e deny enti na
enhia baby free mo
obi ka asem ho a mo nka no kure no e papa bi nche aside that me so wafunu mpo na ye ka tina Bible say di ogina ho no on hwe
Menya sofu akuku da modem ha.
Yeah.
So oba bia wa yesa abaso no there's another one that bia obi adwene afini so but mama mo no so abaso Mama Justine. Okunku okunku mu ni
okay.
Pacho
fane ya friend ana
Mother's Day na ye born na home mu ba later Sunday apologize so ono so ye one great character oba chese otumi cranium maso eyire ne ho
such men are strong.
We're facing transitions in life.
Wow.
But never na ote wa bonti another one so ye born so abaso anyway say
the
the
consultant me afebia.
And I'm money as of for now. Mofa into phone now. Our any yes and Miss Remu. Munja say Yaminka say ko ware onyum tuni kuku dem bia Miss Remen ko ho because ukon ho a e ba ne sana mo say ministry ni mayen. Ati ase nsem ne betare ta yom sana credibility asem so.
Oh sir.
Wa yedamase. Se mo tie yen.
Of a battery Brajer with Damase.
And you be concern.
No, anyway, Bumba and Aminda Lexter Company Limited, that's the producers of Yas toothpaste and toothbrush. Also for hygienic, healthy living, always choose Yas toothpaste and toothbrush. Now, pebia market babyara. Ubenyebi wo Mr. Ebi new fear, shrade. Bomodia nyebi. Accra, ubetumia from 050-161-9588. Na Kumasi so 050-139-0338. Ane into be sure Bomodia we yas na wo se enye se srichi ahoma sa we ndi mama ebusiafo mi twa me ho aba na me ba bedwafo aye ready. Oh, Uncle Fred ya feel and na ye be hu Reverend Eason so Alan did that enti yedimpa Indian Pibo akase be bompa na sa yedin komono ebe hihye so enne abedwafo da enti mi twa me ho aba
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia be si ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu ji international awards ahodo wo mu ji local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia 21st clinic nkwa wo mu die bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran ba ye wo wonsani fa so wo fra masaman so na ba nso a wo nsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540-311-311 0540-311-311 There's a 21st clinic. Still, one more sciatica expert.
Hajia special local foods. Abakade. Enye diani ni diani o. Ye we diani ni we diani. Enye nwanwa se Ghana ha. Ahemfo. Eya kesiye. Wedi na kesiye. Party ya kesiye. Se wo pe baby a wo be serve wo ma wo ho. Se ye buffet en wo mo ye. Se ye local continental dishes a. Wo bi e twa nani a. Hajia special local foods. E wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no. Die ntie fe ni local foods ne se. Enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro na wo de ye aduane se ya abonti na aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi haji esuro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyie ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tena se ne wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se mo mfra haji special local foods efise hono na aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mo timi serve haji special local food upese wo fra 02463599921 02463599921 and answer 05947972115 05947972115 for not with them
eh medo edrano pa wutimi to wo boase etwitwiwusi o ado na so ni se medie Yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwimesima minya homka sentina ye bokoi na medie me all time favorite Yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me amasesei menum so a enwunu anasa de ehia mesen fimfem me biem
na wo hwasa mesi aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens Yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me di hwimese
entina wo se efei na Yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne de ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham.
Oh yes, and Crotrodo, Yas Herbal, Yas Whitening, and the Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste, and then the brush, Abusian Chamfa.
So what peduo to a one cry ha for Leicester Ghana Limited and was 050-161-9588. toothpaste. Lester Ghana Limited. And the Yas toothpaste mo ahodoɔ. And the brush abedwa so abɛboa.
Ya boy, yaba Sompa. Ya boy, yaba Sompa.
I feel the Sompa no trendy o. Sompa is trending and trending and trending. Trendy pa. Edino kwa.
Yenina yeties.
Passe erade na body nyina kire so ye nyame o. Oh, me say me wo Imrantiam kokra nas. I was here for Uncle Friend Reverend Ajo Mumene. Samin from Munkokro, Samin from Mumrantio, Samin Koluo, Mpacho, Mwere.
Nyobe kebi ebe also. Yeah, Ghana for.
We are Ghana for.
Nyobe kebi ebe also.
Oh, yeah, there are there say. Ya people two new together. So the last time no way to me and Uncle Friend.
I quite mama cry am hoyam.
Oh, who's
that? Monday masimbe ba fi be doing touch again na.
Wow.
Share Google Map na just say ready be aso.
Wow.
No be from say chale me ba ho make out 3 hours. This so to so to
sir.
E wi ati madam so nya hwe. You cry say no I am nya innovative. No go from Uncle Fred say.
Oh,
I from online. Report to my I'm nya say why.
Mate.
Our presence will be felt always.
It's true.
Because I'm for your words and friend and tongue count. Me mama me be or provisions of
what kind so
who's my papa.
Oh, no, it's here for the day. I am now only just almost Timonia. Next time, I there are the assassin the way to me. I became sir. I don't say also, baby, I'll free. We have a no combination and you. Hello, no, the channel. Maybe I'm Facebook. I'm going to Fred. Why, Miss Rebel?
It's a brown combination, you know. It's a calculation. But if your father comes from Iceland, your mother comes from Cuba, it can be an ice cube to cool my heart.
I go, Fred. And some part, delight and part. Anyway, there are the say more aqua so far. Reverend, Aquaba, now free.
Let me say, a Bibia Boko. So no fee ice cube, and you see fee Iceland. I'm sure be and to be sure mommy smart I mean wish my sister a happy birthday and me yeah 5 or so me okay in the birthday and very happy birthday to Presla Amankwa Jemfi Obezi in Stuttgart, Germany. I'm friend is really I antenna no just say nicknames the baby era and ne wa woda nyankropon shall be brave near the wakuma subia on your mouth. Nanny prom ne who nana no nana cancel any na nyami shall. All right, may ye fi kwem enti ebeko yankomo so straight then no say money away your best social entertainment program in the city enti ye ka entertainment ni ye ka society issues Enti a very first story I be kosono. Yes, ebusuan bi adragi abrewe bi to bank. Say omo hwa ni na aka no enoso. Enti no momode no nko tintim nkrata so no nyi ni sika e bank nyina. Emomo because most of the time nkofo free mu ja o musika wo baby be quiet properties ni ade ankofo nim ti we mu de o mu decide say oti ase na se hu say o hu adwojo na say I mean enche na erade be fro there yen drag o nko and aye insempi wo internet ne so enti me se me fa ba na me mpanyimfo mama ya share society values ye see ye kra na say ye hwete no Mama yenka ho asem ti Reverend. Abena, ye be di kan echia etiefo.
Etiefo Joso.
Me question na me pese me bisa ansa na matoa so ne say. Se due si ho. Na say ahaban wo so a. Ahaban ne sometimes e be a brown. E be see a green. Brown to meet it tough and a green so to meet it tough. Nti obi e ni ho betumi aka say obi ba be wusisi a. That is the first. That's the first we have a person here. So obien to me in say
abriwa we eba bewu me hu mrewa etiase a enkwala ewu abesenko intimenti ase ni enti omo pese okoyi ni sika free bank by force ena the question am pese me to aso bisa ne say omo tumi drew bank wa na ena bank no so gina so ka say ye de obi abanti ni ye ni sika ma menji ni say bank bia be sa de no say obedi obi echi no aka say konako yu sika nti ebe yi ama. There should be a basic reason e to asumunti a o pese wo koyi sa sika no ena o hwe ne first a na nka ye di ebuoma emrewa na nsei eniama esesa obi abrewa pe na afeye sesa ne branding say ene nkokra ne ya sesa mo branding say omo ya abeyifo ene ade ema wo cause some of the way regions now previously na omo which camp kra wo ho but my question is eden na catch us nipa ko inform say nipa ko no oye witch ana say oye wizard sometimes say na yare obi wo ho a na oyare inti no okika nsem exactly okika nsem in a way inti no now feel say oye beifo nso na ebi ana entisa inti no e wo se ye hwe ne yie ne yehu say values na ye wo mu Ghana ha no e wo se yetumi man ye original values na ye se ye bu mpanyimfo ne ye di enidie man mpanyimfo no ye be man asan back.
Okay, so we say the setting is actually outside Ghana from the way I was reading it now. That's how I saw it. Na omu ko bank also super pepe. Emma nko for crash eno nti na buy internet so.
Ni am hu ye no na enye bank asemu na eye omo ko no na nkrofo hwe.
Okay.
But who saw me drew banko and it's that question.
Okay. Okay. So what we are trying to pick out of it is the fact that values senya ye cramping for any idea no. Is it something we are cherishing these times and now ye any day?
And until I make her say previously no. Nanka ye to me the any day man paying for. Time I ye was school yam kwala bremuno. Ye kot snack mua. Na se opinion bi wo those days na cars na bi wo mu a ye gine mu ne ade opanyin wo mu na se opanyin be gine mu a wo ya akwala na wo ku school no utumi esore na opanyin na kotena se obi so wo ho a okita neama a onampo a wonim na wo kono kwan so a utumi bisa abrewa metumi eboa wa na wo so no mu ba se si a no almost say my right na yen panyimfo no so na yama sa my right no koso yeah can say right and yet but it should be a right with responsibility all right but your responsibility abriwe bi hu chire na aboa no unue bi hu chire na aboa no e bribi a wo say Ghanaians ye dey san to ye hu so biom say first na say ne ye san so to aso na mgidi si ye yes that values na ye wo no e be san aba back
values na e wono ebesan aba back me kwanko Fred so now before then no unim say Reverend Eka say na me kai bibi esi ye e wo manim na ye nyina ya gather wo baby you know ena maami bi by no approach me ni obi ni gida na o approach yen na o hwehwe obi ni ade ena abrantie bi ti akonwa so enti no me ni amene ni gina ho no ye hu se maame ni ye panyin na obusa ya said ade o hwehwe na wo so twen kakra na yesere abrante ni so nka on sorry na maame no entna se kakra odim sa abrante na mpre wan pre o enti no reverend ken pasisi ano yen ya ye gina hoi I mean na yen nyina beka se ye ne abrante na bia na yen ye besen ne kitwa bi enti no che se ye ntete ye ne kire ye se e wo se ye bua maame panyin no na twen a o twen o hwehwe obi no ontumi nya baby enjojo ne ho ansa nipa na ba enso so ono no anya akonwa atenem de dance ye gina ho no ono ne si da bi o enti me feel say na entity ye na so ka ho anyway Uncle Fred pacho will take
okay we take in say obaba so ye nyon bank da
mba try
okay it one me be fati pacho banking rules say and you bia no uko be bank ya ana catch who is the next of kin ana won kan
pacho ye kan
pa
pacho
me kwa be ba panyin na aye enti ndi ba bebre say do ka no ndi bebre ewu a on bank sika nyina aka hwe me ma wela be we die e be ti am photo kakra some 37 years ago na me adwon shell as bank that na mo scared kan yi bi na bi my machines ya di my
oh okay
some of the tellers no so oh na mo kan scared no mo ti bi go from no go for to be no my special on the air and office sa uma ba ku hu no why you say tam na no ko na obituary bo
oh he on one person
ka nya nyina de ko aso me can say you know a code of conduct oh we mu hasi you find me be take the aged any omo physically handicapped
okay
and fan kan ho owura bi de konya adwuma bi wo ministry buildings ni bi no mo ye steps nkwa no mo ye
ani o
wa anye ba bi ye na fi konya stroke e so ko adwuma adwi tin ye ko na they have to carry that person brown kan mutumi ye other work we be able to do in afa so akwanti no society dey ankasa e wo no we don't cherish people our ye old age na ye dem a ye no so ye mfa dem bebre entu adi banamfo bi class bi bu ye na obi wo no we accountant because challenge na ne baba ko UPSC because omo dia ma ne mba no enhu adwuma no oye no do you know say owu ye no the partners afa ne mani nyina ebi ko boka na manam from kana de ka company which is never true it ma me dia mo kan say ne nana no ne ka chance onko yi ni sika nyina emra me boa it dey bu sense ma me na adwuma be no ye ya o tu sebu sika no o kokko afo bi gold bi no koton ya na asasei now sikaro kran seta no ko bank no ko isika o sign ana o de sign e team so
o team ai
any say ni many nyina enti bank procedure sebe yes be yes bank na sorry ana akwati mba be mi sika sebe good that and the crowd sikaro kra kwa ko ya check you know so you 10,000 Ghana cedis am on 10,000 mum if you take
over the counter no
over the counter no do the man no on be frɛ obusa wo say informa no ansana kan so nan kenti sa ska bia pa bia eti amba say nipa sika cry bank no and with the advent of this mobile space no be invest kan come bank say certain deductions where the nan near buy I say oh ye bibia ko bank ya e beto 5 cedis abi nua ba bi be kasa tantan or in the media space you say and untimi a and move to the other network I mean say you na e never be a preventing baby you say almost see sika bank no kwa ko ya say the reverend kano ahabama emote na that also ti the bia na or chronic disease bi on akwa ya man SOS bi save our souls we say bia dey nyina enye ti enye ye dia na some kona omutimo modi na mkoko yi sika no na obi na enye ne sika so kwa ko yi a be fa ho ben it say if the relationship between omo ka kire ma me say onko yi sika no say eyabusafo omo ben no ne ma ne nanam because said okay dipe bebre ewu eko bank ya huma bia omo dwapade ni bebre wo amanfo afa it be cause some buildings we ha both say we demarcation we you hu ni bakura won the family we dia akire mo koye no ye hu na ka oho ni adade nyina nti we there subjective matter mo a me tumi fi say eya de bi ehu bia say say ko bank koko use ka e bia mo na mo hu ana ma me na ka kire mo say me wu a me mo nyam bibia ada ana bi mo ko ni wo oba ko ni wo bi wo bi wo bi a odi edi ni ma bi echiche ni de nyanti no yenkom yeni hu feda yi but in our society in terms of the elderly no ene ma bibiri ho a ene e mo hwere but I need refuse say
yes you be do
ho maybe ana me kan am say ka ji ko say age no 270 no a I will see how we sound in I agree we are going heavy no sa come ma hwe me di ko sa na
na great na o we ni mo
mi say ready for na fi na ko gre ni ba afi wo se wo didi kakra bi kada ontu ni di biem atade best of atade ontu mi nse ona se nya tata mpabo nyina it ababon cross some 8 verse 4 so di baba kra ne hwan na odwe ne ho sei kakra na o mana se nyankopon be da se
wow Reverend be so na okay
I was say my brother akasa but the whole thing I was say ye hu ne say ewo society mu no em say lawyers ni ade abetna ha kanda ye wo ni your friend next of kin ye wo a se wunni ho a e wo say ohwe wechi in terms of ohwe ne yetoto niama ene ye wo obi so a se wunni ho a ono na oju sika e wo say ye background to the story in terms of niani pakon ne ye niana ejuma na oye ene ade nyina. But in the first place, no, we should understand. Say obi sika wo banker. Reason bibe wo hunti anipakono ko yi like me brother kan no. E bi ananipakono and na dream waka and I say BB, but even that no, there should have been letters to the bank first to that effect. Nanka bank na instructed say near sad there, and I said there should be something because ansana bank naka say sad there move to me the neighbor and I say BB sir.
Yeah, say so. I mean, definitely. You send a process of letters of administration near the ATM. Me, I should say anything. I was young pressure. Abra would say, Koiva,
and I said, to say your reason now. Say, the Anipacona Yari, and Untina will skip you or when you're no 18 chess will be wussy see.
I mean, but I was your funny. I ever see a date to hold the fact that impending for your show mu ye young crow ye because such a thing there are a hard according to story, not woman no protest. Just a wusha on peninsula. I dear more ye no. Anyway, yes, and you're gonna have because never hard, Papa. Anyway, you're quite next story so that I know the TSCI demo. Industry in sensem enti ye brother Bullet and ye him say Bullets on one of the ebony barbonting on one of the ebony barbonting mommy him story na to be kind ye na ye brother Bullet on one of the ebony barbonting na sentem okoye interview any idea and in common bebre aba abonting one aspect cry no kase who say or na said na Ghana for and no ebony nintino omude sakura echo ma when the she any uncle Fred when the she ni uncle ba kupe omude sad any to asuma when the she crash so to me I enjoy senia also enjoy wo industry no but enye hopo na me fa wo prophecy beba ba ya nsa na ababa wa no nya ne ba bia akodo according to Bullet no na girl no onim say obe free because na yakeka ade ni I mean yakeka am what ni ade sofo wa ha uncle wa ha prophecy ni wo nyoma ade bia celebrities de ye meka say ye hu say obi besi mansions na odinkofo akotnetrem na de bi ewo doom de no nko na eba no munka bibi nchire me mpamcho
em say in the first place no me wo problem kese with that prophecy na ye ka ho asem no
okay
ye nim say nyame kasa but you see say nyankopon kasa or say he reveals to redeem. It means in the revelation na nyame de ba no redemption wo ho na niami bisa ne say omote say sa ba beba no ana omo anya ho hwe ana ena mamenka asem we nchro and I'm saying this in public you see techrema we edi meku esansu di nchine na nea wo techrema beka bia no or say etumi bem and you will eat the fruit thereof.
Okay.
Inti ne se wo jitum se ubewu a owu ena ebeba. Wanji antum se unwu a ana wanji antum se ubewu a unwu. What am I say? Inti minim sa nimpa kron a ode sa prophecy and I say sa word ye man no. Ye will be a friend projections so ka ebetumi abem. Ma me more this scenario. Yem fan say me kotokone ha say kan e bobo a e den ya ba ko be hye ana say ye be draw me ka say ye be draw na say ye draw a me na man ka say it was just a projection. What am I say? And a prophecy no enti na ye o man mu ya ti bebre say asofo be gina ka say NDC be wini MPP be wini say it's between two parties anya we ya eye we wow, inti aya na we na ya menti ase. I am saying say nyankopon okasa o. But nyankopon enye say obi nwu. And do you know say obi kra betumi aye ho oya projections ni wi a opese ebe mu no obe nwu adwuma. Obetumi de ka akra cross wa mo na bo mu ewu amo aka say oni okan no eno na abe mu no. Inti a whole lot of things wo wa e wo se ye hwe ni yie. Say ye ka say prophecy a ɛyɛ nea Nyankopɔn ɛda ne di na ɔda ne di no ɛno nkyɛ sɛ akwa no ɔyɛ young na ɔyɛ young ɛno nkyɛ sɛ hwii ni hɔ yɛbɛtumi ayɛ afa ho na mame mbisa question no nti Nyankopɔn na ɔhyɛ dade no hyɛ kaa mu sɛ ɔnkonko nya accident no wu ana Nyame doesn't do it that way Nyankopɔn ɛnyɛ saa what am I say ɛna yɛmfa no sɛ ɛyɛ a yɛhu kaa akwanhyia ne ade ɛwɔ ɛwɔ Ghana ha question is say Nyankopɔn na ɔhyɛ da gada nkrɔfo no nyinaa ɛkɔ ɛyɛ nipa baako nti asɛm bi a yɛaka ato no so sɛ wubɛwu nti no na nkrɔfo a ɛwɔ nkyɛn no akɔ frafra wɔho mekae na me ne obi ɛbɔ nkɔmɔ me frɛ no ɛna mebisa ne sɛ ɔwɔ he mekɔ ne fie kora na ɔni hɔ ɛna ɔsɛ ɔhyɛ dry ne mbɔ mpayɛ kɛkɛ ma no opie free shop hɔ apɛ na kaa kɔwura shop ɛwɔ gbawe CP question aden na ebasa because God was saying something and God wanted to avert something inti na nyame oke bibia otumi esan so yehu bribi kin Hezekiah ye ka so bewu no kin Hezekiah na asan kɔ Nyankopɔn hɔ no ka sɛ nyame wona waka o me gidi sɛ nea wo ka kyerɛ o prophet no no krede but sesa hwɛ nea ma ye nti na sesa na Nyankopɔn smart the same person a ɔkɔ no hɔ kɔ kyerɛ ne sɛ obewu no sɛ san kɔ no hɔ na kɔ kyerɛ ne sɛ me na me kae but me ma ne mbadu saa biom Emma King Hezekiah nya extra years edika ne mre ho 15 more years edika ne mre ho but the question is say enko wi krapa enkeye
because mess up
within the 15 years he did extremely well but akwala bi owo no in the 15 years no the worst king ever in Israel inti wo hu nyame kasa de wo hu ba nyame kasa owo ne ayetumi ye fa ho ema ne ye back
okay that's it aso for na kasa Hey, Uncle Fred.
Wow. We live in a strange world. If you see a DPA, because I die soon. It's a mirage in this world. I believe in prophecies.
Okay.
If it's one way a calendar credit date, you see who pa. So be able to me moon baby and so talk. I said that. Baby, and I'm a tiana in so a family or circling. We should die a calendar for the past 37 years. Now,
I think you mentioned
the greatest creature of all time. Now, the atom is for cool. Now, I said, who said the avium city? Yeah, you be all. Be watching the me example. Some of me a celebrity, and I mean, yes, celebrity, celebrity. Now, you see, Tembian, a domini sudden takracha. Yeah, but the more example. Next week, Wednesday. Will be exactly 11 years in super family name ourselves again. So okay.
Make hyper.
To that, remember me some boss of being in the obinim. Can I now to be no one can crap me? What do you think of the man? Come on, can you crack me? Oh, Crasini, so phobia over Traha. Oh, small boy be on yen.
Yeah.
Until we say be a school invest in all song come a but that man is so powerful. I don't watch it. I don't watch it. A guma hodo. Because just in 1975, we did Caribbean watch my day. Mr. James, Royal International. James only woman, but I don't see you becoming a doctor.
Wow.
Yes. What's that? Who said TV? It's similar to the bones and could be getting that. Wow. 75, 51 years ago.
Yeah.
It looks like me. I say only yesterday.
Wow. Wow.
But I'm just want to say, in the young supposed to do all catch me. But try be a medical
piloting,
music been coming to school that. I didn't use me book keyboards and then I'm the whole world acting I believe in prophecies. Don't tell ever to me no. Obini sorry. I say my cars may be purpose of this a can be. Sound engineer I call her feeling me. Obin got that time only upon bomba beto TV and Seromo and the dinner. Be see if you say Abena Ruthy, said on home face away. Obi with Maka once on Palma, one by yet, so for we here. Yeah, brother, the person hasn't experienced you. Son of Papa, no,
pernicious gossip may use
your friend say
pernicious
how to ruffle. Motor Accra Papa be motor.
Thank you. I honey is your word.
Pernicious, yes, Yababa, and you be a townful. We could be sorry that. And oh, yeah, and son, you know, sorry. only papa be my friend Fred. As or Casa radio sing assemble tono. Na seven insu eja and wu.
Wow.
It will a friend mammy. Oba pay a higher tears, you didn't come we are. The way no fear me. And I'm doing him. Don't tell me for me to live your life. That was dependent on. So we go back call to a fake prophet or a fake to make or make sure come here, mamma won't say. You can not call. No, so cratchy. I did about 2 years. Mahoo, walk home. Now, said about some saying that day, no. In so no ever to tell you no. Prophecy once when you come about celebrities American another link. Maybe it's here. That tell you know I will be edge mama and friend something Dean, African origin travels. The jingle. That day so the Bonsama Nemsika crane me home. Papa is so about 2,000 cities. It's a semi call. Oh, maybe a coincidence you could see. To me, Baba to be you. Nabo ben or nice a common nomi and say in Suma you say ya June 10. Nam Kajam Banner on Cononque Yamano. O Quano here you could do bus of one of that, the way in Sway and me quite behind me. To become brofu. Ah, tell me here to eat. It's me a semi counties as about coming ya different. I say in a trance. I will be my big Jimmy Numakas a sign. You see me because of Cotam caution. Makwala no hwe studio be ka kire se meba ho nto mi se wa me studio ho aba be obi adwuma no te bo be na ju 9 ofre me first one na me nte setana na eyi na si a ejaro ni adadi na ho okay it ofre me man no office me mewu because onu say ba o me sin so ni tonom I will try to salvage my things in there ho no the studio ni ma no to ofre me second one o just say uncle be da wa say uncle e din so for ni me me cast ba ko 10
wow.
The end results it killed my ewone kofa makonta so in law ni wuye adeche me koy mem su oni pa wu circle ho bet 350
easy.
So if I had not obeyed or say bebum to be kona so ko di adanse ho na me dem ho ko bon no am say no bibi woni mu na Ghana for me hypocrite mo nye because I 72 minutes obo ye I said to me got obi no fie for 3 years for so obi no adua na o de man ni kunu no bi no de man me me no for 3 years I heard mu say Ghana for mpanyimfo be consult no ane mo so bada ho asem ba mu nkebi ma no mo nye mo big prophecy oh the young guys no ba no some of them are very sharp very sharp me see me prophecy say we be o me so for nyo o ka kire me am ye ho adwuma it is better to secure that rather world chale there we fake okay over town osofu bia by very uche ane me share that trans etron prophecy I do we work bia no me trying dan ma tron na ya to wo say prophet ba wo refi wo
yeah
owo de obewu but omo wan ya chale what to say yes azu enye wan body tribune na kan ye
yeah
and 7 kan was see prophecy we be see or see actress we did this at obi o kan kwan san na you na o kan enya omo na de beto ho bloggers in the cofa nya omo to mu sama fo bi did na tem say omo de pepe omo de be ka cloud akwan mi am fa se memba na jegezi nyina na so no ha yi say ebo ni de no
no won say
ho me de link dia ba bullet e obi am ni ya adwuma sabe ono da se be dwame na kofi bi studio ho no anom da o tie nyina eto ba e bɔ ni nyina minim na o se e bɔ ni ka kye ni say mami bi ka kye ni say o be hate na after 2 years no obe free mu say obe wo ni unum da obe wuo ene wo no so no e fa bibia mami bi de ka kye say dua na bubu na kunu o so ne onko ayikra but he forgot to say e dan roof na no tia say na edua bia so edua it's a prophecy about in terms of you know who says somebody can say ana edomani sadia ntakachese no celebrities no we adore them omo ye product omo ye niema amafo bebre ani ginti ana mo free mu a na eya be so say about Jackson and cause the we are the who we are to don no say can dey be one amafo be protect na nko protect no eti dan you me they can say prophecy wo the obi no ka kire me a e ma ni ba mu any afterwards for the last 11 years yes so hana make asem bien ho aka cheme amam wow just of Uncle Fred say nti anu ayi eba bo hu ye kakra bi but because of $4 you know and then people crowd be out twe ho It tell you what oko baby a 1967 must man to ma be free abroad for sanso be tehwe. Oh. Am I seeing na kwesi benum because that Confound hospital for almost 5 or 6 months. And so let me see we jai believe you don't pay me because and ready to pay.
Hey, girlfriend.
And ti ababoy e bono. The last but not the least America. 1977. Oh, kuma ti tama ye sports stadium eh. They were African Cup 1978. Na papa bi aka kire me say me go school a na me first stadium ho a e ya me hwe yie. Wow. Do you know what happened? Flat light na area you know. Na helicopter na lifty. Gena jump on breso. The school say oh, once sports stadium na cheap So 1977 and the man post school na helicopter you. Yeah, and the airlift crane.
Okay.
Pylons no airlift and the ma engineers no ma attack you you know so. Okay. Because that na say year per year be be say technology enya mai. And e gina ho and helicopter gina na ehwe. Do you know say that dey no ehwan. Wow. Your direction never be could see engineer na chenu mienu. Yes, amoja.
Wow.
Obi ene ka jota kwala. Eh bia. En kabitimi ayre ato dia fam ho. The prophecy is be fan agro. No matter who it comes from. What a gidi. Na tu ho anamon. Na tu ho anamon. Say e fake ya obi hu say. It tell me nyan na sofo no me fake ni ho anwan no. Na yima sebe. Your class 1 teacher. Your DNS teacher. Yeah. And then your class 6. Secondary school teacher so. O say invested for said o that day. Professor Emeritus from Kweno. It will grace obia ni dia ndoma Onyankopon dia hye do. It is always celebrity na obi show nkomo a. Be show say me ba Beverly. Ade e ba do na ebi ni unim ni yareye. Yeah. But na ebi ni unim say bia 2026 aka 4 days. And then can birthday we wa. That be 28th of May.
Oh, 28th.
Yes, can end birthday to Sunday no. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. She's gone. It is said that Canadian. Canadian no bet me aye. Cells according to ya almost no yari dey I'm say dey kwani kunu. Oh.
Wana
cancer. The cancer no. How are they going to solve it? Bia na stage na duru no. We are hwia na enye yi. Eti bia o ka so be wu kra na wo ne me bia obetumi atoto. Yeah. Ansa na wakọ. Not necessary say nipa ko no e kama e bi wa be trans. We be wu. But also to nyema bi agia e betumi in prophecy there. Yeah. Me fa nya grow. I don't joke with prophecies and I don't joke with pastors. Between the pastors at them. Omeke can say me fine. Sometimes I disagree with the one pastor be time me disagree or didn't say you come money di ha. You me watch. But so catch them sank afraid we e be to wa me ho adwuma na makomani. Sanity.
Wow.
Say when we Uncle Fred kind. Young phone on young fan to who. Or tea and oil day. What I said, and that is the premises I make. I say, on what tea and a day no more farm. Because young couple bet me fa even 31st December. Young couple, yes, I know Casa. Ocasa Bibia. With the prophecy there.
Oh, no, I don't play with my prophecies at all. President. Oh, no, I don't play with my prophecies at all. Especially coming from certain men, which is even very prophet in Jango. Ubinum, Usubem, coming from certain men, which is even very prophet in Jango. Ubinum, Usubem, Panum, other guys be, or young guys be sharp. As a woman, native sharp.
I mean, coming up, so not prophet or Drew. And I name the papa. Hey, easy. Anyway, Baba, I could see them who. Reverend is all straight, but I am very sharp.
Abena.
Hey, easy.
From that much a day.
Annie. Yeah, that must be a show set here for so Alpha Baby a film. And come on, corner the son of not time no so far. But time
young could be a couple 15 minutes. Yeah, I'm ready. Maybe 5 minutes.
I come in 10 minutes. I'm 30. Okay, so yeah, next story, but yeah, can't prophecy near the idea. I mean, say covered Jane Quay. Yes, Sister Jane Quay. Sister Yayo, Elder Miracle. At a stage, you know. I name a very popular one. Be me try as a mekai, and no, on there mostly no. papa neto enyom no but ono so chro pa enti erade ani onyam bededi o amama menyina jenkwe
okay
jenkwe enti no me pese me din kai boy to ho Sunday or any program. In fact, nene was all ba interview e wa hase. Ena enra bibi kakra to no ne car kopim kakra. Enti Sompa delightful nyina ye so hu say ye tare chipa ye bompa ye na prophecies nsemesi ha ne de na wo se ye de ye support nyina ma ne pa enti covered happen on 31st May. Sunday ye be ya 4 p.m. prompt now say or ye wo Pentecost, the Church of the Church of Pentecost, JW Saki Memorial Temple, and ono Community 1 Tema into Church of Pentecost. There are 2 Facebook cram, but obe to me akoshe misro. Sunday yen na yem konkota sister Jane Kwe echi. Or say theme of the program na goodness and faithfulness of God. Na uyifi Psalm 100 verse 5. Enti offer menya age mo time no say hono na wie de mama yemfa final words entudwa na bibi e wo hono caution bibi am pese amanfo te no yen country mu neja
caution say maka na nsuo no to this is the best time I pese to plot wa what ma call for search bibi I feel nsuo mu na eton mamamfo
uncle be chiao why yadi bo hopa
this was a top plot of land. This is the time for you to go for the search. Go home baby nyina o man mu ha say me ba me East Legon baby o ma see ANC more no those times they dey come sense and tintin no
na wo
ho o ma feel ho dachi nsuo de ho no e ba be busa the side me call Spinters Road uti Coca-Cola runabout o sani fa ho a ho anso o mo ko busa o mo titi dan o nyina amane o mu hu nso a e ba o mo to a
they build waterways
they took me in South Africa for you don't want if you are super any 1990 Mandela ba or na manimu what cycle ha me ma Mandela ba 1990 oba Ghana South Africa for but is bi no man yem body koti MT mo dem yenye adwuma some pam me aba 1983 say on pam ye 69 so pam mi mo koye but we baby o dimension mo da ko no ehu na unsua adwuma na obi adwuma pam no so kwa koya kwan na eba beto nyema na omo no so mo ko so na alutu ni nyina so production point no a wonu ma bi a pipe no kora fa ansa na aba no omo Ghana fo fi omo nsua no ahemfo na kwa koye yi no omo yehwe se ni me ba ba number socialist otimi di omo ebi mo aba busafo ni bi about TV stories a na de akwanto de ebi mbekọ definitely no bi wo ko tran ho a nti no ye de obi ase na obi aso hwe no nsu ye maka say from now to the 20th of June isu kese no ene na eba ntu baby obi alo we comedies ya kana kasa eba between nyamepa next week kosi 12 June wow o se no e form ni nsu ta ho di nsu do papa edimi nko na ba beto taifa ha na ye river benitua fa nko baby amaye ra yi ho no share no ho no river kese pa nsu kese Silicon School no and I would sani I would mean yansa coffee le ho na wasi die ho nature will one day ask you
wow nature will one day ask you
I'm say ye can su ya semi nyina won say ye start in su ya sem kan nyendo nti nyankopon na fire so studio studio ha e dia boni pakoko
yeah
but at the end of the day no Obi Beka say we are talking about doomsday prophecy saying issue babe fan crofo but also pattern in terms of the number of years as ansem years here I will see who say as on mine no I will say ye hu bribi because etwaso ni nyina no emrebe do ebe west nti I will say ye gates mi e wo ye areas ye yiyim I will say kwan no e bia u si dan no waterway I will say ye making sure say ya prevent say nkrofo AC dan wo ho and yes sir embre bi ba wo ma obi kwan ma ne see ne dan wo waterway no wo dan ba be say that's the problem wo ma obi wo kwan say on si dan no waterway ho no wo a wo ma ho kwan na wo so ye adwuma wo se lanso se AMU se dan a wo ma that permit no ochina wo dan e bebebu because we see kwan no insuo no e ba wo ho
baby fufura afa
pe baby fufura afa na ba wo dan na se bu a ye be ba be da nyame ase e wo wo dan na ebu no because wa boga na abro
hey reverend you who was side hointi I mean me who say we just village in so so mu dey afre mu ma
and no mu bie nti no
na enye easy me share story ni say no
o hwe sene ankofo ko eye we wo ho na but one say ni nyina ye bibia na enye na asemu ye ka say eha eye waterway eha eye dam ensi wodan emmen ho usi so a cause some number of meters they free but encrophone si dan na ensio ebe pe na kwan
so assembly for no Saturday and Sunday illegal sources na Saturday you see Saturday and Sunday go one is wo
wow
besi o mo tro ho kra still o mo besi we o mo nya ho hwe because last you cry me obi cry koje nkrofo sika say o mu nsi dan no
oh
yeah minnim cry obi agibi sika o mu bebi sami ameka
anyway and commodity I there it was some delight so nene minti se ma ko some delight o
Sompa
Chaish
delight
Chaish star home
paddy
Sompa delight
Remember delight na say all recite
Sompa delight
I was here for
no be say light they call it light I say light
colored na mo weni age enti I mean had a delight so wa weni tia mo weni age enti na be say si frobi no be so frobi say ya lande ai si say ane de ye wie ye betu anesa and onti meda me producer one ase. In fact, before then, no mamenda Reverend Aisen ne Uncle Fred ase omu de omu ba ne ani agi because ye tin some more junior dear you know fa be film me gidi say wo fie no wa fa bibie afiri ni discussing de nyina mu anti edo mase na ya da producer one ase Elder Jerry na mada St. Augustine ase oyire no ho de ko internet so ye brim na ni susu no oyire no and then they are pretty kakra St. Augustine ma come asem enti yedana se pa no mada Lady Jill on ase DJ papa na ni senior DJ weekend oya efro mesra mumom paye ma no na eyi munche ne mama me enti rich bit my DJ oya ayefro weekend whatever yedi details ni be tuja ochna na see any me freestyle Friday na by popular request no somebody once said no saba and now today because me producer I declare into yebeye enti me show say wait here in the whole week me purchase Sompa from morning till the following morning the whole week obia watna consolate bia no bra na beka asema waka last week Friday ne started na butu mba so obi to be the Uncle Freddy ne Reverend Aisen Kraka ho Uncle Fred once said in 1975 I was here for me just on Abena Ruthy and then me sweetheart svelte lady Adjoa no chefie no opia buttons so no ma Bra Patrick ebe share mu so Bra Patrick dey agina nesa enti me do bibia ase nyame nhwem na ye nchia ye ma me anti akosia ago abwaji madam communication ye chia opa me sorry sui se wa winim Sompa me train kakra nam de atoa so for God and country and ever Professor Bochi wa ye krado pa ye nyina ye ntwe no de nsempa eba medamase